Matplotlib, how do you keep the axes constant while adding new data? I'm using matplotlib to display data that is constantly being updated, changes roughly 10 times per second. I'm using a 3D scatter plot, and I would like the axis to be fixed to a specific range, since the location of the data with respect to the edges of the plot is what is important. Currently, whenever I add new data, the axis will reset to being scaled by the data, rather than the size I want, when I have hold equals false. If I set hold equals true, the axis will remain the right size, but the new data will be overlaid on the old data, which is not what I want. I can get it to work if I rescale the axis every time I get new data, but this seems like an inefficient way to do this, especially since I need to do all other formatting again as well, adding titles, legends, etc. Is there some way in which I can specify the properties of the plot just once, and this will remain fixed as I add new data? Here is a rough outline of my code, to help explain what I mean. Edit 1. I have also tried ax.set_autoscale_ on false, but with no success too. I tried this with a regular 2D scatter plot, and the same issue still exists. 3. Found a related question which also still doesn't have an answer.
I would do something like this: note removal of hold false. Where you remove just the added scatter plot each time through the loop.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.